Hello, everybody. My name is Nancy Calderon. Proposed Innovation Step 6. Brief description of the proposal. It is to acquire a software to be able to improve the sales service, the agility in the responses to the client, assertive communication, and above all, the post-sale service in order to build customer loyalty. How are you protecting the EP generated from the proposed innovation? Through a legal contract with specific clauses between the parties, as well as a registration it before the Colombian Superintendency of Industry and Commerce. How are you evaluating the proposal? The proposal is valued by the income approximation method will be held investors and managers or businessmen to know the real value of the investment made of their assets at the time of making the calculation, under which conditions to commercialize the value proposal, design and update of website and platform between IDC Safety SAS and Web Apps Innovation SAS. Start at November 22, duration from 6 months to 60 months. COPS, it is established that the cost will be 5,478,000 to carry all the licenses. Thank you very much.